Hello and welcome. Today you're going to learn how to add your Facebook content to a design in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Seeley Clark. I'll be your Canva instructor today. And if you have any questions about this video, feel free to give me a shout in the comments or reach out to me on the good old book. Whatever works for you works for me, and I'd be happy to answer your question. So at this point in time, you should have gotten yourself a free Canva account. If you have not signed up for Canva, please feel free to go to canva.com or look at the link below this video, or you can join using Facebook or Google. So there's a variety of ways you can join. If you haven't, please do so. Then you can come back and we can continue through this video together. So yet again, as I said, I'm going to show you how to add your Facebook content to a design in Canva. Now there's a couple of different ways to do this. The first way is you can go, actually once you have everything up and running, you're in Canva, you have your design set up, you're going to go to, first thing you're going to do to remind yourself to stay on the design, go to Uploads. Now you're going to find, you can see here, I have a couple other pictures, a cute little fellow over here, and then a headshot that I chose to use. But what you're going to do is you're going to go up here and you're going to see this purple bar where it says Upload Files. That is where you locate these three little dots called an ellipsis. You're going to click on this, and you can either upload from your computer, upload from Facebook, your Google Drive, your Instagram account, your Dropbox, or Google Photos. So that has all the different ways, and once you click on Facebook, it will bring you to your Facebook app that resides within Canva. So then once you find this, you can always open this here, and then it says connect to your account. And as you can see right here, these are some things I have done in the past. Picture of my wife, picture of me and my wife. I did a new header, and that's in here as well. That happens to be my header on Facebook. As you can see right here, me and my better half. God bless her. So anyhow, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down once it is finished, collecting all of your Facebook content and photos and everything of that nature. If you want to add an image, oh good dear Lord, pardon my blasphemy here, folks. I am going to find a picture real quick. So, okay. Let's say I wanted to do a post and wanted to put a design in Canva about the cool time we had, my wife and I had at this particular event. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on that right there, and it will absolutely bring it right to your design. We got photobombed there from some nice ladies at that event. So yeah, anyway, with our permission. We said, yeah, join the photo, don't matter. We're all having fun. So anyhow, what we have here is you can arrange this however you want for your Facebook announcement. Now that you've got content from your Facebook, it's automatically integrated. And as they say here, they're making their app permissions more transparent. That's all fine and dandy. I want to scroll down and see what we can see about getting to the end of your Facebook content. Thought there was another button, so I'm just double and triple checking and making sure. No, there is in fact not. So once you have activated this app within Canva, you can most definitely use whatever piece of content from Facebook that you have and put it in a design in Canva. I'm going to show you yet another way to do it. If we go back to Uploads, and now I just have that, and you can see I had chosen that picture from Facebook, and it is now stored within your images uploaded on Canva. Now, an alternative way to do this, if you want to do it the long way, excuse me one second. So if you want the long way on how to add Facebook content design in Canva, I will show you right at this moment as soon as I find my dang Facebook page again. There it is. So now if you did want to download your content, your first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your photos. On your Facebook page, you're going to pick a photo, you're going to right click, and you're going to put Save Image As. I'm just going to put, for the sake of brevity, that. Save it. You see it goes to your computer. It will Let you know that it went to your computer. Now you're going to come back over to Canva. I'm going to get rid of this for clarity's sake. And now I'm going to show you when you go to upload files, you click on this and you simply click upload. It'll bring you to your content in your computer. And if you did it right, it'll have today's uploads right here. As you can see, that's what I just titled that. So you're going to click on this and you're going to click open and you will see it populate here in your uploads under images within Canva. Then you can simply click on that and now your Facebook content yet again is added to your design in Canva. As you can see here, and then you can run it around, manipulate it as you want, make it bigger, make it smaller. And if you do want photos of just you and your better half, stuff like that, if you wanted to get rid of the background, you can always run it through a commercially available background remover. Feel free to Google that. I have not found one that performs any better than another. It's usually hit and miss. Just Google free background remover and try your best with that. They'll have you upload it to that. They will take the background out. And just as an aside, I'm showing you examples on a Canva free account, but if you do have the Canva Pro version, it does have a background remover within that. I'll be covering that on a future video. So anyway, thank you again for joining me here in this video today. Again, my name is Sealy Clark. I'm your trainer for the day. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a shout in the comments section of this video, and I'll be sure to get back to you. And don't forget to smash all those buttons and bell icons and all that stuff that helps all our channels grow so you don't miss any content from me. Until we talk again, have a great day.